When I was in elementary school, I became fascinated with volcanoes after our science experiment of making paper-mache volcanoes go off with baking soda and vinegar. I was fascinated by how mixing two separate components together created a powerful reaction. I wanted to understand the science between the explosion I watched inside my classroom. It also confirmed what I'd been learning in Sunday school about Genesis and how God created the earth. I remember a story about Madame Paley, the fire goddess in name only. My story is about a volcano god becoming angry and blowing his top. Ooey gooey, tar-filled black lava started marching down the Black Mountain like little kid soldiers. The little kid soldiers began marching down the mountain slowly and picking up the pace until they marched right into the ocean. So, did they keep marching underwater, creating steam as they entered? The angry lava on fire under the black substance on top, with red fingers everywhere. As the army of little kid soldiers marching down the hill in a certain path coming to a gate, while nudging the gate to show force, then slowly opening the metal gate and marching in the street to play. Like little kid soldiers, they began to scatter everywhere, with no one to control them. The little kid, black, ooey gooey soldiers began to pile on top of each other, next to a car. Then, to see how high the car was, they threw a boulder on the hood of the parked car, then climbed on top of the car to see if they were going to be stopped, and continued to march across the field to see if there was anyone who could stop them, looking for objects they could climb over, such as buildings or cars. What fun they were having! Nothing could stop them. They only followed a path. I know that if I could be there to see that volcano, I would be amazed.